This tutorial explains how teachers can log discipline and send referrals. While this video is from the teacher's perspective, admin should watch this too, since you have similar features and to see how the whole system works. The log button is where you click to enter discipline incidents and create referrals. To log a new incident, click New Incident. You can click any student on the left, or multiple students if they were involved in the same incident. Or if the student is not in your class, type in their name or ID here and then enter. You can repeat as many times as you would like to add more students. Click the X to the right of the student if you accidentally selected them. The date and reported by fields are pre-filled by default, but you can change it. For example, to submit an incident on behalf of another staff member. The description field may be seen by parents and students, so be cautious when describing incidents involving multiple students. The staff notes field can be used to enter details which will only be visible to other staff, never to parents and students. Here you can check the code, or codes if applicable, for the incident, or click Other Discipline at the bottom to write in a description. This list can be customized, which we'll cover later. You can also use it for other recording information besides discipline. We'll cover that later as well. You can select the severity of the discipline incident here. You can also select consequences, such as detention or the confiscation of a phone. Leave it blank, however, for warnings. To refer an incident, click the Refer To box. Then choose the appropriate administrator or homeroom teacher. Jupyter already knows which student has which admins and homeroom assignments, so the referral always goes to the correct person, even when multiple students are involved. Notice there is no Send button. When you log a referral, the staff member automatically sees it in their account. You can refer an incident to only one staff member at a time. They may, in turn, refer it to different staff members. That ensures the workflow is unambiguous, so everyone knows who is responsible to take action. Note also that administrators can see all incidents of any student, and sometimes teachers can see this too based on your school settings, so you don't need to refer it for others to see it. It's common to log incidents that are not referred to anyone, just to keep the records for everyone involved. There are two options for notifying parents and students. You can choose to post any incident online for the parents, students, or both by selecting these boxes. This will make the incident visible for them when they log in, like this. Depending on the specific incident, you can choose whether it is appropriate for the parents, students, or both to see the incident on their login. You can also select Send Alert to the student or the parent, which will notify them via an email or text alert, depending on their settings. Note that the incident must be posted online for a notification to be sent. If these options are grayed out, that means that your administrator has set discipline offline for students and parents. You can also use this menu to document good behavior, as well as academic or general concerns about the student's well-being, medical incidents, and a log of all parent discussions. You can click Show Log on the log screen to see a log of incidents. These include a summary of incidents where black diamonds are for discipline. 1 diamond is considered minor, 2 moderate, 3 severe. A blue star is for good behavior. An orange triangle is for an academic or general concerns. A red cross is for medical incidents. The menus at the top let you filter by class, type of incidents, year or term, as well as the person who submitted the incidents. To print the discipline log, go to Reports and then select Behavior Log. You can print logs for one student or the entire class or classes. Double check to make sure that the date fields are correct. Clicking Internal Staff will include staff notes, while selecting Parents provides additional options useful if you are resending the logs home to parents. To customize these options, go to Setup, Discipline. Your administrators may limit you from making changes to options on this screen. You can customize the default online options for parents and students here. Click any item to edit it or delete it. Click Add Type to add discipline or other type of incident, or use Add Action to add new consequences. You may click here for any incident to add default notifications and consequences for new incidents. Administrators should now watch the next tutorial to see the additional discipline features for admins.